Good day, everyone. So today we are going to learn the occupational health and safety for you to be safe during the assembling and disassembling of our system unit. By the way, I am your instructor for this course. This is our laboratory experiment number 1. In order for you to be safe, the following OHSPs should always be followed. Number 1, do not work alone so that there is someone who can take care of you in case of emergency. So make sure that you have a companion every now and then for your experiment. Number 2, always power off the computer and unplug the computer before working on it. Because the first way of testing the system unit, if it's working or not, you're going to turn it on. So before assembling and disassembling it, we are going to unplug first all of the computer. So unplug it before working on it. Number 3, take away any liquid near your working area to avoid getting electrocuted or accidentally damaging computer parts. So any drinks is a no-no for this experiment. Number 4, be careful with the tools that cause short circuit. So I know you are familiar with that one because you are um, electrical engineers someday. Number 5, always ground or discharge yourself before touching any part of the computer. So this is very important too for your safety. Number 6, do not use excessive force if things don't quite slip into place. So in case you experience na things that are or components that are not that are very hard to plug or to pull or to push, so do not do that. Do not put a force. No, always handle it gently. Number 7, clean the area before and after using it to maintain sanitation and prevent accidents. Number 8, hold the components on the edges and do not touch the integrated circuit parts. So this is very important. Okay, do not touch the integrated circuit parts as these are very sensitive and it might uh, destruct the system. Number 9, always wear personal protective equipment in equipments or PPE in accordance with the organization's OHS procedures and practices. So examples of this one are anti-static wrist strap, which will be showed later in part 2 of this video. Make sure that the pins are properly aligned when connecting a cable connector. Also, contingency measures during workplace accidents, fires, and other emergencies are recognized. Number 12, use brush, compressed air, or blower in cleaning a computer system. So in disassembling and disassembling, you need to first be familiar with the following. So before you begin, you should have a pen and paper because you are going to document what you are going to assemble and you are going to disassemble. So make sure you have the tools you need and they are close by and handy. Be sure to have a container to keep the screws in. So for you to be organized with your workstation, you are going to be needing this one. Make sure you have the resource material, drivers, or softwares that you may need. So before disassembling the system unit, make sure that all of the peripherals or the materials or drivers or softwares, whatever you need, are already prepared. If possible, enter the CMOS setup and record the information available. So you can take a picture of it. Disassembly is major surgery. Do a full backup of the system. You're going to take inventory before starting. So make sure you have the following components and tools with you. So make sure you have the motherboard, CPU, heatsink and CPU fan, the SMPS, hard disk drive, CD and DVD drive, the RAM, CMOS battery, case or tower or cabinet near you, a good screwdriver set. So these are very essential in um, assembling and disassembling of the system unit. Also, I would like to add the following materials that you need to do in your setup. Please put the anti-static mat. It will also be shown in your part 2 of the video. And please also if please also wear the anti-static wrist strap and place it in any metallic surface before starting. That's it for today's video. Have a very nice day.